Okay, I am dirty and sweaty, and I forgot to film an intro. So today we are going to be working on the 5020 with the 12B71. The first thing we're going to attack is the hood, and right now it's all put together because I forgot the intro. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we want to change cosmetically is the hood. If you guys can look down, put you on the side here, you can see this hood that was on the tractor. Right about here, it makes a sharp jag out to the side, and that's where he made his transition to the other hood. What we're gonna do is take this old hood that's beat up on the front, so it's junk, take this old hood and smooth out that transition. You can see how it sticks out a little bit farther here than this one does. We're going to overlap. You can see we've got two lines here. We're gonna cut this old hood farther back and this other hood farther forward, so that way when they go on top of each other, we've got an inch to play with on our alignment, and we can smooth out this transition and make all the hood one piece and flow really well. So we're gonna go ahead and cut both these lines here, get both pieces up on the tractor, and make them all go together. Here's our front piece. This is the original metal flake hood you guys saw in the last video. We got this cut off on that mark that we showed you, and we went ahead and used a soft pad and got all the paint off and the Bondo and the primer. There's not a ton of Bondo right here, but we'll get the other part laid on top of it because we got an overlap. Here it comes right now. So you see we got duct tape in the front here, and duct tape in the back here, and duct tape in the front. That'll keep our front and back in line with this piece of angle iron. Then we can squeeze the center together to get our curves to match.
Same way on the side. That's fine.
I can definitely get one here to start, and I'll work down. Adam, this looks good when that angle iron's on, but you take that angle iron off, it's...
Yeah, well, you're going to put the angle on and weld it solid right now.
Okay.
You're going to weld it solid, then we'll let it cool.
Okay. Yeah? Okay, hold on.
Grab your hat.
Okay, we'll give you guys a little bit, show you guys what we're doing. So we got a piece of angle iron in here now that's holding our side straight. We're actually gonna weld this into the hood so it stays strong. And this piece here is gonna, once I'm gonna tack this angle iron in down here, once that's all tacked in, we'll take a hammer and fold this hood, part of the hood down so it matches all the way across so everything's straight. You can see our welds down here. These are from the top. You can see you got good penetration all the way through. I'm gonna run another set of beads down this seam. And this is what that hood, it's a little hard to see, this is what that hood looks like looking down the side now. See, it's perfectly straight as compared to the hood before. So should be a pretty good finished project. Let's get it welded up and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I'm running handheld right now, so if I'm a little shaky, give me some slack. But we got this hood pieced together. You can see here, this is where those two seams are. You've got this back piece here overlapping and welded here, and this is actually the penetration from this hood being welded on the other side. So that's going to be pretty strong. You can see we got some spots here. It's burned through from the other side. We've got an angle iron that stretches from here all the way up to in front of this air cleaner hole, and this will get notched out here for your air cleaner pipe. You can see the transition is quite a bit better. It still does have a little bit of that crookedness in it, but it's much, much better. The best part is when you come at it from the side like this. It's really hard to see on camera, but in person, I assure you, it definitely looks better. We've got a little bit of work here yet. You can see there's angle iron on this side too. Got a little bit of work here yet to bend that back over, and you can see here. I don't know if you can see up in there, but this actually bolts up too. So everything lines up and looks better. We've got our Holes, those holes were there originally when we got this tractor. We just welded them solid, and we're gonna end up putting some really good Bondo, and they're really high grade Bondo, so nothing cracks, and we should be in good shape. Okay, hood's all together, and we're gonna call it a day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this kind of gives you a little insight as to how we do custom hoods like this. We did the same thing on the 5020 with the 8B71T. It was a little more challenging on that one because we had to fight the turbo on that one, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Stick around for more, and I'll see you next time.